Alright guys, welcome to another episode of fishingwithvance.com. Today we're going to take you into something new and exciting here for us. So hopefully everybody has seen the majority of our videos that we've had on the Pelican Bass Raider series. That's been on Vance's Pelican Bass Raider 10. And we've obviously enjoyed a lot of good times on that and caught a ton of fish on that. Well, here recently, I was at a garage sale and was able to pick this guy up right here. The Pelican Bass Raider 8E. Obviously a little bit of a different beast. So this thing here is just short of 8 feet. Basically same design overall. You got the the plastic boat. You got the pontoons in there and everything. You got the floor in the middle. And then technically you could, if you wanted to, you could fit 2 guys in there. I don't know, I think that might be a little hard pressed, but we just want to give you a quick little first look at this. As I said, just pick this up. I'm going to take this out fishing with me tomorrow. And hey, what a better time to use a brand new boat that you've never used before. And I'm going to go out onto a piece of water that I've never been out on either. So I was able to get the boat. I was able to get this Minnkota 30 trolling motor as well. A little bit of a different guy here. So this is the 8E, which if you remember, the one that Vance has is the 10. It does not have the electric that is run down from the battery down to here. So one of the things though I did have to do for the attachment that is right there, I did have to buy this guy, which I bought on Amazon. I think this was about $8. I apologize, I can't remember. Pretty inexpensive. I then just crimped that right onto the wires from the motor, and now I can just plug this guy right in, turn this on, and off he works. More importantly though, I can disconnect this guy, unattach a motor, toss him in the boat, toss him in the back of the truck, and then off I go. Well, I'm really excited about that because then this is going to make this particular boat really light, really portable. This is going to be a one-man bass wrecking crew right here. So, not really sure about everything else. It's a different beast from the one that Vance has, that Bass Raider 10. As you can see, hopefully in here, the first thing I noticed is that there's no area really for any rod holders. We got this area right here that won't fit the big pole holders that I made for his boat. So I got to figure something else out there. As you can see, it's a little bit angled. I don't know, it's just weird. So I'm not going to be down on this end of the boat anyways. Obviously we have the battery right here. I'm going to be sitting somewhere on this end or in the middle. I'm not going to be reaching for any poles down here. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do with that, which I will. Just going to take a little bit of time. The other thing that we wanted to do with the boat is that I wanted to keep this thing ultra lightweight. That way then I can get into pieces of water that I haven't been into before and really be able to explore a little bit better with this than maybe with that 10E. So, got this new floor here, picked this up at Lowe's. This here is pretty interesting stuff. It's like a styrofoam, but a little bit harder of a floor. They use that basically for on carpet applications, wherever you're gonna have really heavy pieces of furniture and keep them from then beating up or indenting your carpet. So that was pretty inexpensive. I believe it was $19.98 for 4 pieces of that. I ended up using 3. As you can see, it just jigsaws or puzzles there together. Just cut it with a razor blade, fits right in there. I did stand on it earlier, felt pretty good. So hopefully it'll be able to do the same trick as what we did with the other floor in the other Pelican. So that was it. I just want to give you a quick glance of what's going on with this new Pelican Bass Raider 8E. If any of you guys have any experience with this, any tips, tricks, please let us know. If you like the video, please hit like. We're always looking for subscribers as well. We're going to be bringing you more videos, more fishing videos out of this. As I said, I'm going to go hit up a new piece of water tomorrow. We'll see how that all goes. So, fishingwithvance.com.